Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, we're kind of taking a second look at the OStation 2 Pro from Olight. Now, we saw it originally when it was releasing on the Kickstarter, but now it is releasing, well, it's actually available on Amazon right now, and it is coming available on the Olight website. January 19th is when it's going to become available on the website. Now, it's pretty much the same with there are some minor differences. I guess probably the biggest difference is OStation is actually becoming its own brand. So that's kind of interesting. Now, if you remember, the OStation 2 Pro will charge both AA and AAA batteries. The thing you have to remember about that is it'll charge any brand nickel metal hydride, AAA or AA. Nickel metal hydride, it'll charge any brand. With the lithium ion, it only pairs with the OStation brand lithium ion because the batteries actually have a cell monitoring that pairs with the OStation, so it'll tell you how many times it's been charged, the battery's health, all that good stuff. Pretty crazy. Some similarities that we've seen before. You have your dead battery or bad battery. It'll kick it out if it detects it and it says it's not good anymore. You have your AAA storage on top, which will store 12 AAAs. And your AA storage on the bottom, which it'll actually store 12 AAs as well. AAs drop in the back, AAAs drop in the front. Now, there are no polarity doesn't matter. You can drop it in. You see this one, I'm going to drop in that way. This one, I'm going to drop in the opposite way. There's the nickel metal hydride. And I'm going to drop in the lithium ion as well. Now our screen is up. It should notice them, read them, give us a health. Now, these are charged batteries. I didn't have any that weren't charged. Now, I did take a couple of them out of a package, so they may be a little not fully charged. We'll see how it looks. Pardon me. The other cool part about this is you've got a built-in charging station for your magnetic charging of your Olight batteries. So you can put your favorite Olight batteries on the magnetic charging base and it will charge those as well. That's pretty cool. I like that. So, each of these flashlights usually send themselves a charging base for it, but with this you can keep that stored in. Don't need it. Now you can see that it's actually starting to read. We've got the 1.5 volt lithium ion. It's telling us that's at 49%. It's going to charge it. That's the AA. It's got the nickel metal hydride on this side. It's telling us that it's actually at 15%. Let's see here. Let's see if we can. There you go. You can actually kind of see that better. That's giving us the health of the battery. Now, you can pair this with an app as well. Now, it's not currently reading the AAA. It's doing the AAs first at this point. But you can pair it with an app. You can control it through your app. Everything, which I usually don't. I usually don't pair with the app. I just let it go. Now you can see it's actually charging the lithium ion. We've already went to 51%. You've actually got a timer down there. It tells you how many minutes you've been charging each battery, how long it takes to charge, which is actually pretty cool. Now, like I said, I put these in an opposite polarity. I dropped one in one way and one in the other, and it's actually reading them both. So, doesn't matter. It's pretty cool. You can just drop them in, and trust me, man, Nelly goes through batteries like crazy. We've got these battery-operated candles all around the house. She goes through batteries and it's nice. She can just come in, drop them in, throw them in. It doesn't matter what the polarity is or anything. She just drops them in and goes. And you can see it's charging up pretty well. Now, the OStation 2. It's coming in. The OStation 2 Pro, excuse me. I have to keep saying Pro because there actually is the OStation 2, which does not come with the touchscreen, the health information, and that. It's less expensive, of course. You don't have all this, fancy hardware going on, or software, I guess. Yeah, whatever. I'm not a techie, guys. So, the OStation 2 Pro is coming in at $139. It's actually on sale for 20% off. I think it's like 111 something is what it's showing on the site. You can go to Amazon and check it out as well. Now they've got bundles as well where you can actually bundle batteries with it, and you can get either the nickel metal hydride or the lithium ion batteries, whichever you prefer. Just remember, gotta make sure to point that out, that it only operates with, as far as lithium ion, it only operates with the EcoLast from OStation, but it will charge any nickel metal hydride battery. Pretty cool. It's and when I said there's some minor differences, that basically comes into labeling and that type of stuff, just because OStation is becoming its own brand. So pretty interesting. Standard plugin, nothing too crazy about that. Very, very cool. Now I've used the OStation 2 Pro for quite some time, and I tell you what, I use the original OStation as well, the OStation 2 Pro, and I tell you what, these are super, super handy to have around. If you go through a lot of batteries, it absolutely makes it worthwhile. And we were actually just talking to the kids when we were up there for Christmas, and they were talking about the need for batteries, a battery charger. I think I know exactly where this is going to go when we're done with it. I'm going to send it to the kids and let them use it as they need it. Because, with a new baby, toys, all that good stuff, if you've had kids, you know about going through batteries. So, huge shout out to OStation and Olight for sending this one out. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. Appreciate the opportunity to go back through with it. Not only does it charge your batteries, it stores them, and it monitors their health. It's pretty awesome system. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. Like I said, it's available on both the OStation 2 and the OStation 2 Pro are available on Amazon right now. I'll leave a link down below if you want to go check it out. But they do become available on the Olight website the 19th of this month. Thanks so much, guys. Greatly appreciate you stopping by today. As always, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.